The Battle of Jutland, fought on May 31st to June 1st, 1916, in the North Sea near the coast of Denmark, was the largest naval battle of World War I and one of the most significant engagements of the conflict. It pitted the British Royal Navy's Grand Fleet, under Admiral Sir John Jellicoe, against the Imperial German Navy's High Seas Fleet, commanded by Admiral Reinhard Scheer. The battle was the culmination of the naval arms race between Britain and Germany. The German High Seas Fleet sought to break the British naval blockade, while the British Grand Fleet aimed to maintain its dominance of the North Sea. The clash began with a chance encounter between British and German scouting forces. What followed was a fierce and complex engagement, characterized by long-range gunnery duels and torpedo attacks. Despite suffering heavier losses in terms of ships and casualties, the British Grand Fleet retained control of the sea, preventing the German fleet from achieving its objectives. Both sides claimed victory, but strategically, the battle ended inconclusively. The Battle of Jutland had far-reaching consequences, influencing naval tactics and strategy for decades to come. It underscored the importance of naval power in modern warfare and solidified Britain's naval supremacy throughout the remainder of World War I.